Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome's download location. So when you download something from Google or from somewhere else, where it goes through on your computer basically. So all you have to do is go ahead to your Chrome, open it up, and at the top you will see three dots. You're going to click on it, and at the bottom you will see settings. So you want to click on here. After that, you will be redirected to this page where it is a lot of options to choose from. What you want to click on is downloads right there. And here where it says location, you will see your username on your computer and where it goes when it downloads. So all you have to do is click change, and after that you will basically see where you can go ahead and change it. You can choose documents, desktop, downloads, and select it. And after that, you will see that it's changed from downloads to desktop. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.